Welcome, friends. Let's draw something together. We can call this, I don't know, cosmic art or cosmic drawing or cosmic friends art drawing, something like that. So, what we're going to draw together is a new Disney princess, the most beautiful, the most symmetrical Disney princess ever created. Now, what we're working with here is Krita, is the name of the program. We're working with 100 by 100 pixels, and we're using the pixel tool, and we're drawing with a mouse. So, this is the sort of stuff we're working with to draw our beautiful Disney princess. So let's start with the head. Let's see, where's a color for the head? Over this way. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, the most perfect circle or oval or whatever of a head ever drawn. Beautiful, perfectly symmetrical. So here's the head. Maybe we should center it a little bit more. Right there. And now, what color eyes should Princess Flopalina have here? Let's give her some eyes. About that looks good right there. Oh, look at those eyes. Oh, Princess Flopalina. Beautiful. Now let's pick up this color here again, and let's darken it a little bit for the nose. Like that. Isn't that the most elegant, regal nose you've ever seen? The perfect nose for a princess. And for the lips, we'll do a little bit like that. Shapely lips. Some of that going on. Come on down here. Princess Flopalina. And some ears. Wonderful. Now, let's start with the dress. We should have a little bit of a neck here, don't you think? So we can then draw, a neck. What color dress should Princess Flopalina wear? How about a nice green dress? Nice green dress. Something like this. Like that. Yeah, that's looking good. A little bit of this. This is the elegant neckline of the dress. We'll have to extend the elegant neck down a little bit. Like that. This will be a beautiful flowy number. First the arms. Elegant and beautiful. And the flowy dress. And some legs coming out the bottom here, where they normally are. Oh, that started a little too high. A little too high. We want it right here. No, let's refine that a little bit. Have a leg, other side of the leg, and a leg, other side of the leg here. Powerful calf muscle, right there. Yeah, let's give it a powerful calf muscle over here too. Powerful. And let's see, let's come in a little bit. For the footies. Just a little bit. Suppose that works. And then what color shoes? How about a nice color just like that for the shoes? For these magical princess shoes. Come over here like this. Absolutely beautiful shoes. I mean, look at this Disney princess. How can you argue with that? Need to start coloring some of these things in. We'll just, not like that. Let's see, where is it? Limit to current layer on the fill tool. We can add more shading later, if we so desire. For now, we'll just do some of the basic colors. Like that. Oh yeah. And some of this. I think what we need to do here, before we fill this in, is... well, maybe we'll use a slightly lighter color to fill it in. So that way you can retain the sort of basic shape. Oh. The shape and the lines. Yeah, that looks good, just like that. We'll have to do something about this area here. Maybe just sort of like a shadowy? Like that? That works. That works. But I do see one issue. Well, first let's reset the fill tool. I see one issue with this area is we need the definition of the arms. That should do it. Maybe even do a little squiggle definition over here, huh? Look at that. Look at that. I think it's about time to add some hair to our beautiful Princess Flopalina. To do that, we'll add 2 layers and put our current layer right in between the 2. Let's see, Disney Princess. Disney Princess, like that. So this will be the top layer here. Oh, look at that hair. Princess Flopalina. Of course, it'll probably cover up some of the ears, at least. Magnificent coif. Come up here some. Then we'll go to the layer that's underneath our current layer. And do some of this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Our Princess Flopalina is really coming together here. I wonder if, let's go back to our main layer. For the ear, should we put a little mark there, you think? Maybe going the other way? Maybe just a dot? Maybe some of that? We'll leave it like that. And of course, Princess Flopalina has got to have some sort of eye color. One of those. One of those. Oh my gosh. Yep, that's the eye color, all right. Dress the, wore a dress to match the eyes. Oh, we got to do some hands. some handy wannies. Let's see, Princess Flopalina hands. There's one Princess Flopalina hand. Whoop. Maybe I should be doing the hands on a different layer. We'll do it on this layer, right? Right. Princess Flopalina hands. And more Princess Flopalina hands. Like that. Let's see, we'll fill it in first. Preferably with the same color as the rest of the hand. And then we'll make some indication of fingers by darkening it up. Well, not too much, just a little bit. Maybe something. No, maybe more. Maybe more than that. That's probably too much. Yeah, it looks like she's holding something. A little piece of something. Maybe just a little. Nope. Get back to our original color. Maybe we're just going to leave it how it is. You know, I like it better just like this, just how it is. So that's gorgeous. That's almost done. Let's just add a little more shading to the shoes here. On the right layer, on the proper layer. Like that. A little bit here. And then maybe just a little bit lighter than that even. Lighter for some of the top bits here. And I think we have a beautiful Princess Flopalina. Now, what should we do about the background? We could do a magnificent castle whatever background, which maybe we'll do some other time, I don't know. For now, though, we'll leave this main background layer in place. We'll add another background layer. And let's just... Oh, look. There's a little space there. That's good to know about. Okay, let's fix that. Oh, Princess Flopalina, flopping all the time. Princess Flopalina. That works. Maybe it doesn't work. Okay, now, should we do the green here? No. Let's do the hair. Okay. Now for the background here, which it's, as you can see in the little preview here, it's sort of done the background around our beautiful princess. Let's just add in some quick stars, because I often do. And because we're preserving this other background, or heck, we could always add another background, but because we're doing all of this on one layer, we can always remove this layer later if we want to add in a castle or something like that. But here is our beautiful new Disney princess, Princess Flopalina. Beautiful.